Hey everybody, it's Johnny, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. I have been kind of MIA for a couple days, but I didn't have any exciting things to film yet. So, I'm here with you today with two giant Scentsy boxes that just showed up. So we're just gonna go through them. I don't really know what's in them. Oh, this is the smaller of the two. Smaller, right? I know. I think these are from party orders that I had from July, so let's just dive right in and find out. And I didn't unpack them yet, so I'll try not to make too much noise. So this we have, yes, okay, so this is from one of the parties, so I'm guessing this other one might be another party. So a lot of these things are not mine, so I won't be like dissecting them on camera. So first and foremost, we have some, let's find out. We have some laundry liquid in Luna and Shimmer. For those of you who don't know, we do have a laundry line. And I believe these are for part of like a Laundry Love bundle. Yes. So we also have the Luna washer whiffs and the Shimmer washer whiffs as well. And then we also have the complimentary Shimmer and Luna dryer discs as well in here. So that's fun. I actually enjoy our laundry line. I will probably do a video at some point giving some tips and tricks for getting the most out of the laundry line. I've discovered through trial and error what seems to work best in terms of getting the maximum fragrance and all that other stuff and the maximum amount of laundry out of it. But that's for another day. All right, so we have two of our 100% essential oil eucalyptus and lavender. These are also for a client. I keep calling them client, customer. Sorry, that's the musician, private teacher in me. Anyways, and then we have a whole bunch of 25-watt orange bulbs, which these ones are for me. These ones are because I will soon be putting out my fall warmer display, and some of them I wanted to use orange bulbs instead of the clear ones to give it a little bit more of an autumnal glow. All right, we also have some dog deodorizing spray, Freshen Up Pup in coconut milk and lavender. This fragrance is very heavenly. This is for a customer as well who has an adorable little pup. And then we have some lemon verbena all-purpose cleaner concentrate. Make sure it's on camera, right? I really do like our all-purpose cleaner. This one bottle, if I remember, makes 6 16-ounce bottles once you dilute it. So it's pretty good bang for your buck. What can I say? It's a cleaner and it works. This is not a particular favorite fragrance of my own. I'm not big on the lemon verbena, but I know a lot of people like it. So that is that. And it looks like we were supposed to have a lemon verbena bathroom cleaner that did not make the cut into this box, but I assume it will be shipped shortly. Also in here, we have a diffuser base for one of our premium diffusers. I will do a video soon on our diffusers, like a comparison between the premium and the deluxe. I have both, and I have thoughts on them. But I really do like our premium diffusers for several reasons, so that will be for another video, but that's what this is. The cool thing that I will say about our premium diffusers, if you're not aware, is that you can purchase the base and then switch out shades or purchase shades separately if you prefer. It's a really great option. All right, and then we have some bars in here, I believe. Yes, and the bars are for me. Of course, the bars and the light bulbs are for me out of this entire box. All right. We have, I think I just picked up some more from clearance. Yes, so I picked up 3 more bars of Pretty and Plum, which is, I still think it's still in the clearance section. It's like a pastry, bakery, plum, some People have mentioned that it has like a mapley note to it. I haven't warmed it yet. I know it has a coconut note in there in the scent description. I really like it. We'll see if I change my mind when I warm it. But I'm cold, I really enjoy it. So I picked up some more just to be safe. That way, if I do love it and I want to get more and they're already sold out because they're in clearance, I have some. And I also picked up 2 more bars of Pristine Waters, which is a nice, it's kind of a cologne scent to me. But it's like a fresh cologne. I don't know. I'm sure Pristine Waters isn't necessarily supposed to smell directly like cologne, but it smells like something that if this were a cologne, I would wear. At least I'm cold. So that's all that's in this box. So without further ado, get out of here. Let's go on to this other monstrous box, which I have no idea again what's in here, but we will find out shortly. Oh man. Yes, so we have all sorts of things in here. All the things. Let's dive in. Paper, because you know, paper is just the best. Maybe that should be like an ASMR video, like just me throwing paper at the screen or something. All right, so we have some Scentsy pods for our Scentsy Go or Wallflower. We have them in sheer leather. This is a nice, it's like a nice, sexy cologne slash not quite super heavy in the leather. There's more suede in this one. It's a really nice cologne scent, very masculine, kind of woodsy. I don't know if I would really describe it as woodsy. I really like this. This would be another one that if this was ever a cologne, I would be all over this. And it's not as strong as something like Weathered Leather, which just smells like you stuck a bunch of fresh leather up your nose. Saddle Up, this is like the medium version. So if sheer leather is like the light, sultry version or whatever, Saddle Up's the more medium, fresh, crisp. This is like more of a fresh sort of scent relative to the other one. And then Weathered Leather would be like the more mature, not so sophisticated, but definitely mature scent, or just leathery scent. We have one in Bonfire Beach. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. This is a good, like beachy, little bit of a smoky note. I want to say there's like a marshmallowy note to this. I don't think there is. But it definitely has like a little bit of a beachy ocean air vibes to it as well. It's really nice. I like it in wax, so I wanted to try it. This one, the pods are for me, I should have mentioned. I wanted to try this one in the wow, words, Scentsy pods. And then Mystery Man, which I've tried before, and I do like this fragrance a lot. Oh, it is yummy. It is yummy. Though I will say, I feel like at least the first time I tried it, I felt like it wasn't as strong as I would have liked. So we'll see. Maybe I was just nose blind at the time. All right. Next, we have more paper. We have a fragrance mist in shimmer. So we have a body care line, if you're not aware. We have hand creams, hand lotions, body wash, and fragrance mists and stuff. So I actually picked this one up mainly because I wanted to see how these worked compared to other fragrance mists, and I wanted to do a video on our body care, and why not? I figured that worst comes to worst, if this is a dud for whatever reason, or you know, I don't want to necessarily spray it on myself, I can use it to freshen up things, kind of like our Scentsy Fresh, because it's going to be a soft fragrance that lingers either way, whichever formulation you use. So anyways, we'll see how this goes. I'll report back when I do a body care video. Then we have a body wash in Luna. I think we have a couple moisture medleys in here for customers. So I think this is part of a whole set of Luna, if I can find the rest. So it's the body wash. The moisture medley comes with a body wash, a hand soap, a hand cream, and a body cream. And I don't know where the rest of the Lunas are. They're hiding. Yep, here it is. So we had the body wash, the hand soap, the hand cream, and then the body cream. There we go. Really quick thing, if you didn't know, the formulas for the hand cream and the body cream are pretty much identical. If you read the ingredients list, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. That being said, the cost per ounce is more efficient if you get the larger size. Again, I'll talk about that in our body care thing. I have another set here of moisture medley for apricot vanilla. So we have, I actually have this going in my warmer right now in the living room. It smells really good. So apricot vanilla is a peach apricot vanilla ice cream scent. So we have the moisture medley in that. Again, it comes with the body cream, the hand soap, the hand cream, and the body wash. And then we have a moisture medley for me that I threw in here in Mystery Man because I really like this fragrance. So again, the hand soap, the body wash, the body cream, and the hand cream. I won't go through sniffing all of those right now because obviously they smell the same, but you get the idea. Then we have a couple extras. We have a body cream in shimmer, an apricot vanilla body cream, and what else did I just see? A shower gel in Candy Crave. And then we have a room spray in the scent Luna. Now, I know we have a momentarily, like, room sprays can't be ordered, I think, right now because of a manufacturing thing with the nozzle part that we're trying to get. But they should be available at some point in the near future. I just don't know when. All right. We have a Laundry Love bundle, looks like, yep, in lavender cotton. Lots of laundry and body care in this in these parties and cleaning products. We gotta be safe and clean in this, you know, crazy time we're in. And then I picked up a tub of the washer whips from clearance in French Lavender and Ocean for me. That's what these ones are. They're like Febreze Unstoppables. Basically, you put these in your laundry and they make your clothes smell good when they're being washed. I've also heard that some people use these to like sprinkle on their carpet before vacuuming to make their carpet smell really good. I haven't tried that. I don't think it's the technical official use for these, but I mean, they're granules, like dissolvable salt granules, so I can't imagine they're going to be that much worse for your carpet than they would be if you were putting them on your clothes. So anyways, those two are for me. Curious to see what those smell like, but let's get through this box. We have a By the Candlelight warmer. These I think are still available, and again, if you look around for like a candle holder for these, or like put them in a centerpiece display, they can look really pretty. On their own, they kind of look wah-wah, a little bit dinky. But when you put them in a display or a centerpiece, they are definitely something pretty impressive. And maybe at some point, if I do like a warmer, what do my warmers look like around my apartment, you will potentially see what I have done with the By the Candlelight ones. But that's that. And then finally, it looks like we have some bars at the bottom here. What bars could we have in here? Let's find out. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. Oh, look! Because I'm a little crazy, the 3-pack of Pretty and Plum. So how many Pretty and Plums do I have now? What, 6 in this giant haul and then like at least 3 or 4 more of my own. So I have enough pretty and plum right now. I am very pretty and very plum. So before we end this, let me just pull out the washer riffs really quick, the ones that I ordered, because I kind of want to smell them out and see how they do in terms of fragrance. So this one is French Lavender. Ooh, ooh, okay, that's really strong. Note to self, don't shove your nose right into the washer whiffs. As I do it again. It's very strong. Ooh, definitely a stronger version in my opinion. Definitely French Lavender. But it smells a little bit different to me than the Scentsy bar, which I feel is a very soft, sort of muted one. This is like, you must have lavender in your life. Ooh, you almost get like a pungency to it. It's kind of intense on the backside. So I don't know if that's more medicinal or herbal or floral or what do you want to call it, but it's definitely lavender. But again, you wouldn't like dump the whole tub at once. You'd have like a scoop or two, so it wouldn't be nearly as intoxicating. All right, and then this one is Ocean. Let's see what this one smells like. Does it smell like the ocean is the question. I don't know if it smells like an ocean, but it smells really fresh. Ooh, it smells really good. There's also almost like a salty sea, fresh kind of air vibe. A little bit of an aqua note. Ooh, I could get behind this one. I have to do laundry today, so maybe I will try these in different loads and see how they do. I've also heard, just for fun, I mean, you can obviously use laundry love bundles as all in one scent, but I've heard of people mixing and matching. So like their soap versus their whiffs versus their discs in different scents to kind of get a blend or something going on. I haven't personally tried that. But if you have, let me know how that works. What blends you recommend, because I might try them, because that's what I do. All right, so now I am surrounded by body care and laundry and cleanup and pet care and a diffuser. I guess I have to sort this out a little bit and get it ready to give out to customers. Hope you enjoyed this haul. I do have a haul coming soon for some of the new catalog stuff that I ordered that will be coming in hopefully in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that video. I do have an empties video that I need to do as well. So a bunch of things coming up. They may not be every day because I have to kind of figure out when to film them correctly. But if you enjoyed this video or my crazy antics in general, please consider hitting the like button as well as subscribing. It would mean a lot to me, but then you get to hang out with me and see me do some more crazy things like open boxes. So I hope you are having a wonderful week this week, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.